Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In last video we discussed about some major updates of ECMA 6 or ECMA script 2015. That was constant arrow function, okay, scoping, and today we will discuss more about ECMA 6 script. So let's get started. Extended parameter handling. In this extended parameter handling, we have three major updates. First one is default parameter value, second is rest parameter, and third is rest spread operator. Okay, so let's take first one, and I will discuss this by example, with the help of example. Okay, this is default parameter value. Before discussing about default parameter value, I will show you how currently we are writing, how we can write in normal JavaScript. Let's take a function foo with parameters some, and in this we need to check the value of x not to be undefined or some other conditions like then I am doing some normal operation with this. Oh, here I am missing curly braces, closing curly braces. Okay, so let's call this foo method by using some value. See, I get 3 as output. Okay, but guess if I do not pass any value to the second parameter, then it's returning 0 as we defined this here. Okay, now in traditional method we need to handle such scenario like validation of parameter, that is that should not be undefined. And what we get in ECMA 6 ES6, we do not need to check the undefined value of any parameter. We just pass the default value of that parameter in the method body signature part. Okay, so let's take the example of this also. Foo1 x comma x, let's comma y. Here let's take x value of x to be 0, default value of x to be 0 and y to be 0, and return x plus y. Here we don't require any validation on the parameter value. We are just passing the default value. We have just declared the default value in the method signature. Okay, so this is the default value parameter, and it was added in ECMA6. Moving to the next part, rest parameter. What is rest parameter? Rest parameter is the kind of aggregation of remaining arguments into a single parameter of periodic functions. Okay, this allow us to pass indefinite number of parameters to a function. Like suppose if you have a function for 3, let's 3 x comma y comma and z, and if you want to pass more parameter at runtime, then what you can do here, you can just apply the rest operator here. So rest is nothing but a way to pass an arbitrary number of parameter. By using rest, I am just using rest starting with 3 dot and giving the name of parameter like a, and defining its body return. I am just returning x plus y into doing some stuff into a dot length. See, here a will be considered as length as array of parameter. Okay, closing this function. Now we can pass any number of argument in this function, and that will be used in this function that we can use. Okay, so just call this function using 1 2 hello. Okay, and again giving some number. See, I am getting here 12 because 1 plus 2 is 3, and rest parameter, number of rest parameter is 4, that is length of the array. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So by using rest parameter, we can extend the number of parameters in any function up to arbitrary or indefinite number of parameters. Okay, so this is called the rest parameter, and we can define it as with the help of 3 dot followed by the name of the parameter. Okay, moving to the next part, in spread operator. This allows us to spread the value of an array in a function or element in array. So how it will work, let's see. Let me clear the console. Okay, I am taking a simple example. Let number 1, or suppose array 1 is 1 2 3. Okay, and let array 2, and I want to concat, let's say 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. I want to concat both of the array into a single array. So how we can achieve this? Let's take another array final. How we can do that? array 1 comma concat. In concat we can pass the next array or second array. So by using concat method we will get the final array. You can see here we got the 1 2 3 4 in a single array. So using spread operator we can also using spread operator it will also do the same task. How we can how let's take another final array 1, let's, and what I am doing, I am just giving the some different value like 1 2 3, not 1 2 3, I am giving it 0 9 8 comma comma, and I am using here spread operator. It is this also start from 3 dot followed by the name of the concat comma, and I am using here spread operator. It is this also start from 3 dot followed by the name of the concatenation array or followed by the name of the array. If I, let's suppose if I want to concat array 1, then you can see here see we got the same result as we concated the 2 array. Okay, it's also been concated. Okay, you can also do such you can also do like this, let array 2 equal to spread operator array 1 comma again spread operator array 2 close. See, we get the same result as before. Again we get the concatenated array. So this was the spread operator. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will upload next part of this video series